Welcome to Half Moon Creation. I will show you how to make Dahlia paper flower from sticky notes. Our sticky notes is 3 by 3 inches. Now what you need to do is peel it out and make sure you have the sticky side towards you, and you curve the non-sticky side in and use the sticky side to roll it on there and secure it. Let's try one more time. Find the sticky side right there. Roll the non-sticky side in and then secure it with the sticky side. We will need to make 37 petals. Our flower will have 5 layers. The first layer will have 12 petals. Second layer is 12 petals. The third layer we will need 8 petals. The fourth layer we will need 4 petals. And the fifth layer we will need 1 petal. So total of 37. After you roll your petals, I like to secure it with tapes. After we roll all of our petals, we will need to lay it out on the base. Now start gluing it down. Make sure the tip touch each other in the center. Now that we finish our first layer, we'll go on and continue with our second layer. Just stack it on top of the first layer in between the gaps. Now that we finished with our second layer, we will need to go ahead and do our third layer. You will need 8 petals for the third layer. Now that we finish our third layer, we will go on and do our fourth layer, which you'll need 4 petals, and bend the tip about quarter of a way, so to make it a little bit shorter. Now that we finish with the fourth layer, we will go on to the fifth layer. For the fifth layer, you only need 1 petals. So fold the bottom of the cone about a quarter of the way, and then kind of twist it together, add some glue, and tuck it right in the middle. What I'd like to do with the middle one, because I didn't want it to stick out, so we're just going to cut the tip of the petal out and make it like a circle. And now you have a beautiful flower.